Hi everyone, welcome to day 3 of our Euphorbia Milii, and today I'm going to be showing you how to create the large leaf. To begin, we're going to start with a slip knot and make a chain of 20. Now that we have our chain of 20, we're going to add a 10-inch piece of 24 gauge wire with a slip stitch. So place the wire on top of the thread and make a slip stitch. Now we're going to continue going into the chains, crocheting around the wire. First, we're going to make a single crochet into the first 3 chains. 1, 2, going into the chain and around the wire. That's our 3rd single crochet. Next, we're going to continue with a half double crochet in each of the next 16 chains across. And that's 4. Here's 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16. So we made a half double crochet into each of the next 16 chains across. Now we're going to continue into the last chain with 2 single crochets. So make 2 single crochets into that last chain. Now we're going to bend the wire down evenly and press it together. Now we're going to be working on the opposite side of those chains, and we're going to begin with a half double crochet in each of the next 16 chains across. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16. We're going to finish up round 1 with a single crochet in each of the last 3 chains. It's 1, 2, and 3 single crochets. Next, we're going to make a slip stitch into the first stitch on the opposite side. However, we're not going to make a chain 1. Instead, we're going to continue on to round 2 with a single crochet in each of the next 10 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Continue with a half double crochet into the next 8 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 half double crochets. Now we're going to make a single crochet into each of the next 2 stitches. That's 1 and 2. Continuing on the other side, we're going to make a half double crochet into each of the next 8 stitches. So again, we're going backwards. Make a half double crochet in the next 8 stitches. That's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Now we're going to continue finishing off round 2 with a single crochet in each of the last 11 chains, 11 stitches. Two, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. So that's 11 single crochets into, that's a single crochet into each of the last 11 stitches. Make a slip stitch into the next stitch, and once again, do not chain 1. We're going to continue on to round 3 with a slip stitch in each of the next 8 stitches. That's 1, 2, 3 slip stitches, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's 8 slip stitches. We're going to continue to make a single crochet into the next stitch. Make a half double crochet into the next. And then we're going to make a double crochet into each of the next 6 stitches. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Continue with a half double crochet in the next stitch. Single crochet into the next 2 stitches. Now going into the top stitch, we're going to make a slip stitch, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and then make a slip stitch into that same stitch, into that same top stitch. That creates our point. Now we're going to finish off round 3 on the opposite side with a single crochet in each of the next 2 stitches. It's 1 and 2. Now make a half double crochet into the next stitch. Double crochet into the next 6 stitches. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now to finish off the leaf, make a half double crochet into the next stitch, single crochet into the next, and we're going to make a slip stitch into those last 7 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Make a slip stitch into the next stitch, chain 1, and fasten off your thread. And again, we're going to cut off the loose thread end at the top back of the leaf. And there we have our large Euphorbia millii leaf. You're going to need a total of 4 leaves per succulent.